Welcome back to the show, everybody. Had another checkup on the worked on eyeball yesterday, and everything is looking very good. And the doctor lifted the majority of my physical restrictions. I still can't do a lot for shop work because I have very poor depth perception. It's difficult to focus on things. No welding, no grinding still. I still have those restrictions in place, but physically, I can walk, I can bend, I can lift. We're not getting full 100% into it right away. We're going to ease into it a little bit, but I can finally get out of the house and do something. So I'm going to be operating the tractor today, the Kubota L4701. We have the new Grapple for the front of it, plus the backhoe with the thumb, and I'm on the road out to the field that suffered all of the tree damage last December, and I ended up cutting my way back through here then. And you can see we've got logs that are still staged off to each side that I cut last winter. We've got pockets of these tops that I cut and stacked and piled off to each side that are now grown up with ferns and everything else. I'm going to take the tractor with the grapple and the backhoe, and we'll just pick this debris out of the woods on each side of the road. We'll get it bunched up and then haul decent loads of it either to the burn pile or to the firewood pile, depending on what it happens to be. You might see me with my hood up, not so much because it's cold out, but it's good for periphery sun glare control. Eye is still quite sensitive to bright light, so if you see that, that's what we've got going on. I'm just excited to finally do something again. We're kind of crossed up in the road, but I want to get these birch logs out of here now. Because they're kind of behind that tree, I'm going to pick them out with the thumb, get them out on the road, then we'll grapple them out. Okay, if anyone's wondering, this is a Land Pride Grapple. We have SGC 1060. Runs off of the hydraulic remotes back here on the lever. These two buttons feed this valve bank, and then the hydraulic hoses go forward. They split, divert, and go out the cylinders on each side. So you just run these two little buttons here and here. Simple as that. Well, everybody, we've pretty much got the road all cleared. It's hard to see. I think we're getting chased out by rain. It's starting to come down pretty good. But it held just until we got the last of it. A few little odds and ends like this to pick up where I pulled old top piles out of the woods, but for the most part, oh, I'm blocking the road. Senior's trying to get through. That means we better wrap it up real quick. Boy, it was fun getting out today. Finally been able to do a little bit of something. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bonus footage. All right, everybody, it's about 3 hours later. The rain has finally quit, and just wanted to check back with you one last time. That Grapple has been working excellent. We've had it for about 6 months now. We should have purchased one a lot sooner than we did. We've still got a few pieces like some of this stuff here that fell out of the grapple teeth after I took the big bites out of the piles along each side of the road. That's not going to be that bad of a job. So nice to have the road finally cleaned up. No more piles of broken and dead limbs down each side. Hope to see y'all back again.